What's up guys, it's Rachel. Today I am doing a very exciting video because I am doing a product review of this ponytail that I am wearing right now, and it is from INH, or insert name here, hair, and you can find them on Instagram, or their website will be linked down below. So INH hair makes hair extensions, wigs, ponytails, but I think they're most well known for their ponytails. They make really high quality products, and they also have been featured in Ariana Grande's music video, In My Head. I will link it down below if you guys want to check that out as well. But I am wearing the style Maya in the shade Champagne Blonde. I absolutely love how easy it is to put in, and I also really like the color in contrast to the top of my head. But I love this because it is so easy to do, especially if you don't feel like doing your hair that day. It's something really fast to put into your head, and also it looks really good if you dress it up or dress it down. I kind of wanted to wear a loose baggy shirt today to match Ariana Grande's style. If you're unsure about picking out your color, you can always DM them on Instagram and send them a picture of your hair, and they will help you with the color matching. So the hair comes in this really nice cute bag, and inside the bag it comes in plastic to just protect the hair even more. So the first thing that you want to do is take your ponytail and wrap it around your head, and try to like keep it as flat as possible against your head because you don't want it to be too big of a bun, but just wrap it around your head into a bun and then put another hair tie over it. Just like that. And it's okay if like you've got some pieces that stick out. So then you want to take the hair and start by clipping it in the front. Alright, so you just want to push the clip in, and then be careful because these parts are Velcro. So then you want to take this little piece of hair that is curled, and you want to make sure the Velcro is all down on your head, but you want to take this little piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail, and then you want to use the bobby pins that were provided. They provide 2 bobby pins, which is super nice of them, and you want to stick those bobby pins right into where you want to secure the ponytail. So this is the final result of how the hair turned out. I love it. I know it was like such a short tutorial, but that's what I love about this ponytail, is that it's so easy to put in, and it only takes a couple of times to practice, and then you've got it like that. And it's great for lazy days, great for going out. It's so different and unique, so make sure to check out INH's Instagram and their website down below. And also, if you decide to purchase from INH, make sure to use my discount code, which will be right here on the screen for you guys. If you guys like this review, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos from me, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys!